In 2025, cruise scams targeting seniors surged by 14%, with fraudsters pocketing $3.4 billion from trusting retirees last year alone. Over 37 million travelers will sail this year, but older adults are prime targets for cunning traps. Stay tuned because number one will shock you. It is entirely legal, yet lures seniors into financial ruin with a smile. If this feels like a warning you cannot ignore, consider subscribing now to stay one step ahead of these schemes. This year, cruise scams prey on seniors' dreams of serene voyages, exploiting trust, limited tech skills, and the allure of adventure. From fake bookings to manipulative sales, these schemes drain savings and shatter retirement plans. This countdown, from 10 to 1, draws on 2025 reports from AARP, Bitdefender, and Tips for Travelers, weaving real victim stories, expert defenses, and trending tactics. Each entry ramps up suspense with emotional stakes, clever twists, and practical tips, building to a jaw-dropping legal reveal at number 1. Number 10. Fake cruise line profiles on social media. Scammers craft convincing social media pages mimicking trusted brands like Viking or Carnival, complete with stolen logos, glossy photos, and fake reviews. These profiles dangle exclusive senior discounts or free cruises for engaging with posts. In 2025, a Texas retiree, Margaret, wired $700 for a Caribbean cruise that never existed, lured by a Facebook ad promising a 50% discount. She arrived at the port to find no ship, no refund, and a vanished profile. Protection tip: check profiles for verified badges or high follower counts. Official pages boast years of posts and thousands of interactions. Book only through cruise line websites or accredited agents listed on the Better Business Bureau. Surprising fact: AARP reports 35% of seniors encountered social media scams in 2024, with numbers climbing. Imagine losing a dream trip to a single click. What happens when scammers get even closer, pretending to be someone you admire? Number 9 personalizes the deception. 9. Impersonating well-known crew members. Fraudsters pose as beloved cruise staff, like Royal Caribbean's activities director or Carnival's John Heald, using stolen photos to build fake profiles on platforms like Instagram. They message seniors, offering VIP upgrades or sold-out excursions for quick payments. In early 2025, 9 fake Heald accounts tricked retirees into paying $300 to $600 for fake dining reservations. A 74-year-old Ohio woman shared her heartbreak on X, losing $450 she saved for her anniversary cruise. Defense strategy: never send money to individuals claiming crew status. Verify requests through official cruise line channels or apps. Sudden shift: these scams tug at emotions, exploiting trust in familiar faces seen in cruise vlogs. How do scammers scale up to fool thousands at once? Number 8 unveils a digital trap that looks too real to doubt. 8. Fraudulent travel agent websites. Scammers build sleek websites posing as travel agencies, optimized to top Google searches for senior cruise deals. These sites advertise unreal discounts, like a $75 Alaskan voyage or a free Mediterranean trip with taxes. In March 2025, a Florida book club of 8 seniors lost $4,000 total to a fake Princess Cruises package. The site demanded wire transfers, then vanished, leaving victims with no tickets and empty wallets. Safeguard: research agencies on Trustpilot or the American Society of Travel Advisors. Use credit cards for bookings as they allow chargebacks. Rhetorical question: how does a website vanish overnight, taking your retirement savings with it? Suspense builds as victims recount the betrayal of polished interfaces. Number 7 shifts to a scam delivered right to your doorstep. 7. Free cruise postcard scams. Postcards flood senior mailboxes in 2025, promising free cruises, onboard credits, or gift cards for calling a number or scanning a QR code. A Minnesota couple attended a free cruise seminar after receiving one, only to endure a 6-hour timeshare pitch with no cruise offered. Another retiree scanned a QR code, landing on a site that charged $200 in processing fees for a non-existent trip. The BBB logged over 50 complaints about these mailers in Q1 2025. Countermeasure: toss unsolicited mailers. Legitimate cruise lines rely on email or official ads, not physical postcards. Sudden fact: these scams spiked 20% during winter travel season, per the FTC. Emotion swells as seniors feel targeted in their own homes. What if scammers call you directly, demanding payment? Number 6 reveals a phone trick that feels like a personal attack. Spoofed phone number scams. Scammers spoof cruise line numbers, posing as agents chasing unpaid balances or urgent fees to save bookings. In February 2025, a California retiree nearly lost $800 after a fake Norwegian cruise line call demanded immediate payment to avoid cancellation. The caller used real booking details, likely stolen from data breaches, to sound legitimate. Seniors, trusting familiar branding, often share credit card info under pressure. Protection: hang up on unsolicited calls. Verify numbers on official cruise line websites like carnival.com or vikingcruises.com. Rhetorical question: what is worse than a stranger knowing your travel plans? This scam's boldness fuels fear, as victims face real-time intimidation. Number 5 takes scams to the ports, where relaxation turns into a costly trap. Most viewers will breeze past subscribing, even though that quick click supports alerts that could save someone's life savings. 5. Port excursion scams. At ports like Nassau or St. Martin, scammers approach seniors with local excursions or free gifts, like keychains, to draw them into shops. A 2025 incident saw a retiree, Clara, spend $12,000 on jewelry in Jamaica after accepting a free drink, trapped in a high-pressure sales pitch. These schemes exploit vacation brain, where relaxed seniors make impulsive buys. Reports estimate 65% of port scam victims regret purchases within hours. Defense: book excursions through trusted platforms like Viator or directly with cruise lines. Decline free gifts to avoid sales traps. Surprising fact: some ports have scam shops operating openly, with local authorities slow to act. Suspense mounts as seniors realize danger lurks in paradise. Number 4 shifts to a digital bait that feels harmless, but strikes deep. Number 4. Free cruise survey scams. Emails or ads on platforms like X promise free cruises for completing quick surveys. A 70-year-old Arizona man, Robert, paid $500 in port fees after a survey, only to learn the cruise was fake. Scammers upsell upgrades or demand extra fees for better dates, draining funds. In 2025, these scams also harvest personal data, like social security numbers, risking identity theft. AARP flagged a 30% rise in survey scams this year. Safeguard: avoid surveys offering rewards. Book directly with cruise lines or check deals on sites like cruisecritic.com. Sudden shift: these scams often lead to phishing sites that steal more than money. What if scammers pose as authority figures? Number 3 unveils a chilling impersonation tactic that feels like a betrayal. 3. Government impersonation scams. Fraudsters pose as IRS or Medicare agents, demanding payments for cruise-related visas, like the EU's ETIAS required in 2025. Robocalls targeted Florida seniors, threatening to cut benefits unless bank details were shared. The FBI reported $34,000 in average losses per victim in 2023, with 2025 cases up 14%. One retiree faced demands for $5,000 to process a cruise visa, only to discover it was a scam. Countermeasure: government agencies never request payments via phone or gift cards. Verify visas on official sites like europa.eu. Rhetorical question: how do you recover when a scam threatens your entire financial future? Emotion peaks as seniors face fear and loss. Number 2 uses a trusted platform to deceive, and it is terrifyingly effective. Which scam shocked you the most? Drop it in the comments and share your strategy to avoid it, helping others stay one step ahead. 2. Google malvertising scams. Scammers flood Google with fake ads for cruise line numbers, appearing at the top of searches for Holland America deals or Viking cruises. Clicking connects to fraudsters posing as agents, offering deals like a $100 Caribbean trip. A 2025 case saw a Georgia couple lose $4,200 on a fake Celebrity Cruises booking, discovered invalid at check-in. Google's trust and safety teams note a 25% spike in these ads during spring 2025. Protection: navigate directly to cruise line websites, like princess.com. Use Google's About This Result to check link legitimacy. Surprising fact: nearly 45% of seniors trust top search results blindly, per a 2025 Pew study. Number 1. Fake resale of cruise bookings. Virgin Voyages issued a 2025 alert about scammers posing as passengers reselling bookings at deep discounts, like a $200 Mediterranean cruise. These resales seem legal, as cruise lines allow transfers but are fake, with scammers disappearing after payment. A Colorado couple, both 68, lost $3,000 on a non-existent Viking cruise, believing they bought a canceled slot. This legal gray area thrives because advertising fake resales is not explicitly illegal until fraud is proven, leaving seniors vulnerable. The shocking reveal: this scam aligns with 2025's endless cruise trend, where seniors sell homes for sea-based retirement, only to be targeted by fake resale ads promising cheap entry to programs like Villa V's Golden Passport, costing $129,000 up front. Defense? Book only through official channels or verified agents. Treat reservation IDs like bank details. This scam's rise ties to the 7% growth in senior cruising, where demand fuels fraud. Emotion hits hard as victims lose not just money, but dreams of a new life. Type "I open" in the comments if you made it this far. Trending wrap-up. In 2025, cruise scams evolve with the industry's boom, exploiting seniors' trust as cruising grows 7%. Accessibility advancements, like Viking's automated doors or Celebrity's infinite verandas, make ships appealing, but scams lurk in ports and online. X-Post highlights seniors embracing endless cruises like Villa V's Odyssey, unaware of resale scams. Wellness cruises with yoga and lectures rise, yet port traps persist. Booking tips: use credit cards for fraud protection, avoid school holidays for calm, and verify deals on official sites. Costs average $150 to $400 nightly for mainstream, over $500 for luxury. Report scams to the National Elder Fraud Hotline. If this guide could save your next adventure, please subscribe for more alerts to keep your travels secure.